welcome back to my channel. Your girl about to get started. I ain't gonna show my face today, but y'all can see, you know, a little bit of me right here. Anywho, I'm about to do some Mexican soup that I used to eat when I lived in Dallas. It was so good. The store is a Mexican grocery store, Fiesta. If y'all live in Dallas, y'all know what store I'm talking about, Fiesta. They used to make this soup, and I used to go get it all the time. They have like a hot box with all the soups and stuff in there. Oh, so good. If y'all live in Dallas, go to Fiesta and get some of this soup. So I said I wanted to learn how to make this soup myself, and I've been making it for a few years now. But I saw this recipe where she added like tomato base in it, and I got some tomato base. So I want to try that version. I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna let y'all see how I cook it. I got some beef shank instead of chicken. It's really like, I think, originate from chicken or something. The real recipe, like with chicken or whatever. And so they do theirs with beef shank at the store. So I bought some beef shank today, and we're about to do us some caldo soup. And I'll show y'all in just a minute how my meat look. I'm about to get it. I already got my pot boiling. I don't have any seasonings in here right now. I'm just gonna add my meat in, let it cook for about 30 minutes. And then, you know, I like to drain my water for the first time I boil. And then I add my seasoning. So we're gonna let this, put the meat in, and then we're gonna drain the water. I'm gonna let y'all see how the meat looks. This is called beef shank. Y'all can see that it's kind of cheap. It's a cheap meat, so you can get 2 big pieces of meat for like $5, $6. And that's a good price. So we're just gonna get this in. I got 4 packs, so I got 8 pieces of meat in all. And we're gonna get this in and get this boiling. And I'll show y'all the next steps. All right. Alrighty, so y'all, we're gonna let that boil for about 30 minutes with no seasonings, and then I'll show y'all how I season my water. You back.
Potatoes, zucchini, and cabbage.
Alright, we almost at 30 minutes, y'all. We got like 6 more minutes left. And I'm gonna drain all that off. I hate to drain all that off, but I don't like all that stuff in mine. Because I know it adds the flavor to the soup, but it'll still have flavor, you know. It'll still be flavorful when I get through flavoring the meat and stuff. And this meat, it cooked pretty quick, so you want to get your, if you want to do yours like mine, get your first boil in. 30 minutes, get that water off, and then get your stuff going. So I'll show y'all. I'm gonna let that boil for another 10 minutes maybe, and then I'll show y'all when I get ready to re-season my clean water. Alright. Alrighty, y'all. So I got my meat out. I washed it off and everything, but see all that little jelly? Oh yeah, all this flavor. We're gonna keep that. So I'm about to put my veggies on. I fill my pot up to the top, and I'll show y'all that too in just a second. Alrighty, so we're gonna add our vegetables. We're gonna add the onion. I got the white onion, the green onion, celery, and the carrots. We're gonna add those. They're gonna washed and peeled. So we're gonna add those. I'm gonna add my corn and my other stuff close to the end. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna add our seasonings in right now. just gonna add our meat in right now. Let them flavors get into that meat. Let them flavors do its thing. And there's a lot of meat, y'all. So, I might add half of this back here in this pot and let some of the meat cook back here. Yeah, I got a big family, so I have to cook a lot of soup when I cook soup. So we're gonna let this come to a boil and let that meat soften up a little more, and then I'll be back to show y'all next step. All right, y'all. So I got all those ingredients in. I still haven't put my corn, I still gotta put my corn, my potatoes, my zucchini, and my cabbage in. So I'm gonna put that in close to the end because it cooks fast, and I don't want my corn to be overcooked. So your girl had to end up doing 2 pots of soup because my pot wasn't big enough for all the ingredients that I had, and I don't like to waste nothing. So yeah, we're cooking that meat down, just letting it get tender, fall off the bone almost, and then we're gonna start adding our ingredients in. Our last vegetables in. Alrighty. So that is how it look. It tastes so good. I wish y'all could taste it, but y'all ain't here. I told y'all to come over, but y'all won't come. Told you to come last week when I cooked. Y'all didn't come. I waited. I cooked so much food for y'all, and y'all didn't even show up. But it's all good. I'm gonna cook again next week. Look, next week I cook every day. But I don't post all my cooking videos. I just don't be. I be tired, y'all. I be working so much, and I just be tired lately. So yeah, I said I was gonna give y'all this good video today though. So yeah, I got 2 pots of soup going, same exact seasonings. I just put some of the broth in this pot because I didn't have enough room in this pot. So we'll be back and I'll show y'all once I cook this meat all the way down tender. I'm gonna start adding the vegetables in, and I'll show y'all that part too. So be back. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna put half. I got 2 pots, remember, so I'm gonna do half of these over here. Potatoes. And I'm gonna do half over there. I'm gonna put some cabbage in there. Half of the cabbage over here. Okay, I'm gonna put half of the cabbage in there. In our back pot, y'all know I got 2 pots. So we're gonna put half of our cabbage in the back pot, evening it out. I'm gonna put 3 pieces of corn over here. Just 3. I'm gonna add the other 3 on the other side over here. In there. And then we're gonna have our rest of that cabbage up in there. Our zucchini. We're gonna do half over here. And we're gonna do half in our back pot. So that is that, guys. Alrighty, we got that going. We're gonna get this down up in there. Sorry for my kids talking in the background, y'all. Yeah, they pretty loud. Yeah. Okay, so you hear me talking. So we're gonna get our zucchini down up in here. And I'm gonna crank that up a little bit. And I'm gonna cover both the pots. I'm gonna cover both the pots. So this is how it's looking, y'all. It's so good. I just, when these vegetables get done down up in there, I'm gonna show y'all what it's gonna look like when it's all finished. I ain't gonna add no more, nothing in there. Just gonna let this cook. So 30 more minutes. I'm gonna let this go. Both pots gonna go for 30 minutes. I ain't gonna add no more liquid. I'm just gonna let it. I may add 1 cup of water. 1 cup of water in both pots. So yeah, I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. We're gonna add 1 cup of water. So 1 cup in there, and that should be good. And we're gonna add 1 cup into our back pot. And that should be good, y'all. So we're gonna bring this back to a boil, 30 minutes, it'll be done. And y'all will see the end results in just a second. Alrighty. That looks so good, don't it? It is so good. The flavors, oh my God. Be back in 30, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm done. I'm done. Look like I done cooked myself. What the hell? I cooked myself. I'm done and the soup done. Okay, the soup is done, y'all. This the front part right here. Look at that. Don't that look? Look at that beef shank. It's all the way done now. I'm gonna show y'all the back pot. Same soup, same flavors, all that. Meat is tender and good. And I'm about to put this in a bowl. And I'm eating it with some tortillas. We're gonna eat it with tortillas. Tortillas. What is wrong with my tongue today? We're gonna eat it with some tortillas. We're gonna eat it with some tortillas. And yeah. I'll show y'all when I put it in the bowl. It's the back pot. And this is the front pot. And y'all see all that good food in there, good potatoes, corn. Oh yeah, this about to be good. Oh yeah. Be back.
Oh yeah.
Alrighty, y'all, it's done. Now, you don't have to put your big piece of meat in there like me. Like I put mine, I put a whole piece in there. You can cut that off if you want to. I just like to suck on the bone. So, there it is, y'all. So I just leave mine whole like that. Now, if you want to cut your meat off the bone, you definitely can do that. But I don't do it because I like to eat all that good yumness around there right now. I got me some tortilla shells right here. And I'm about to eat that. A couple of those. And you can also squeeze lime juice on it at the end once you're done. I see them putting lime juice on theirs. I just added a little tahini on mine at the end. So, same thing. It's got a little lime flavor in it. So, yeah. I'm about to eat, y'all. And that's that on that. And I will see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all try this recipe with your family. Because it is definitely a bomb recipe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.